Hi, and welcome to this little midterm review and a few points to make about it before we get started, because it is next week. It is proctored, which means you have to appear in person with an ID before you'll be able to take the test. If you're going to come to the Springfield campus, the testing center is at the far east end of ICE Testing Services. I've added a couple of links in an announcement below this video for where you can go to get all of that information. So just go there and be ready to go. As far as the test goes, it's not very extensive. It's 10 questions, 5 style book questions, and it's mainly from things that we've gone over in the first 6 or 7 weeks that I want you to kind of hopefully remember and be able to recall as you take the test. Most of them are pretty obvious questions if you just study the book a little bit and look around for them. Make sure you know about the 5 characteristics and values that make an event or subject newsworthy. There's 7. You just need to be able to tell 5. What we call that summary paragraph that tell readers why a story is important and kind of summarizes the context. You also need to maybe go through the PowerPoints too, in addition to the book, because some of this stuff is there. There's a few true/false on there. One is about conducting an interview, what you should be doing when the interview is going on. The kind of news consumers that we have now that are out there. That's on one of the, I think the first chapter talks about the 4 types of news consumers. The 4 areas where the majority of stories come from. Both human and written kind of places, but you'll find those in the book as well. Know about what the 5 W's and 1 H are and be able to identify those. A little bit about the book, The Elements of Style, the author of the book, and what his credo is for better writing, more condensed writing. He has a 3-word credo that we should follow when it comes to editing, and I think you'll be able to find it if you look through the book a little bit, or it's in the PowerPoint about the elements of style. 3 words on a slide all by itself. Starts with O, and the last word ends in S. All you gotta do is figure it out. And then there will be 5 style book questions that are on a variety of topics: addresses, dates, times, abbreviations, things like that. It shouldn't take very long to take this, but you do have to come in and do it live somewhere. So I will have that posted on Monday, and you have until I think the following Sunday to complete it. And I think I have to turn in grades on the 19th, so I don't think I can go any later than the 18th on that. So I think you get 7 days, so it's the 10th through the 17th. I grade them on the 18th and turn in grades on the 19th. So good luck, and when we get back, we'll be talking about feature writing and how that all works out. So study hard, go at it, and it shouldn't be too painful. Talk to you next week.